Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. Today my brother Bryce is going to be helping me. What you're going to be needing is some scissors, a pencil, and some markers. You're going to need a pencil, some scissors, and some markers. So first, let's get started. First, we're going to have to, if you have a paper like me, follow the first two directions. But if you have a regular square paper, don't follow the two directions. So let's get started. So first we're going to fold it like this. Okay, Bryce? Follow me.
This?
Yep, just like that. Perfect.
Like this, okay? Like this.
So first we're going to fold it like that. Yeah. And then where the scissor comes in is we're going to chop off the piece that we're not going to need on the bottom under this triangle. So let's chop that off.
Like this.
Yep, just like that. Let me finish mine.
And I'm going to fill out some details.
Perfect. So we're just going to do it perfectly like this. And we're going to wait for him. Okay, perfect. So we have two triangles. And now we're going to open up this triangle. Okay, Bryce?
Uh-huh.
And then you see the line that's pointing straight? We're going to fold it that way. So we're going to use this edge. And we're going to point it to the other side. And then fold it from there. Okay, so everyone do that. You got that? Mm-hmm. Now open it back up. After that, you should see 4 pieces in your piece that's going to guide you to make the fortune teller. Just like this. Perfection. Now, make it like this. And then we're going to use the edges, the pointy parts, and we're going to put them into the tippity center. So let's do that right now. You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish mine. I'll help you. Okay, here, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Then, after we see this, we're going to flip it over again. Got that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we flip it over, and we do the same thing that we did to the last one. Take the corners, the tippity part, and put them into the middle center. You got it?
Like this?
Just like that. So we're supposed to end up like this. After that, the fortune teller is almost finished. What you want to do is you want to see these 2 parts and these 2 parts. You want to fold them together. You got that? So get these 2 and push them together. Just like that. Yeah? Perfect. Now you have your own made fortune teller. To make it easier to open, you can do it like, fold it like this, press it down, do it again. That makes it a lot easier to open. So I recommend that. Now, it's a lot easier to open it. Now we can just put our fingers in.
Like this.
Yep, just like that. And now we have our own fortune teller. Yeah.
See?
Okay, now if you want to color it, you can follow me. We're going to be using orange, purple, pink, and blue. You can use some of these colors too. We also have some brown, so you can use these colors, okay? He's going to be using black, brown, green, and purple. So these will be his colors, and these will be my colors. And we're going to color in these four corners. We're going to be coloring these four corners in the meantime. It is fun to make fortune tellers. Also, you guys we want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment on our videos. Thank you. I am finished with my blue. He is finished with his brown. No, I'm not using brown. I'm using orange. Orange. This is looking good. Show it up. See, this is what his looks so far, and this is what mine looks like. So we're both doing some good. Now I'm gonna do my pink. I might not do purple. I want to do green.
Oh, I did green.
Okay.
Okay. I might do blue.
Okay, he's gonna do blue. Okay. I am almost finished. I just have one more square left.
And I am finished.
Nice. I like it.
And then,
Wait. Just.
I'm waiting for my brother to be done.
So, this is what mine looks like, and this is what his looks like. Mine kind of looks like the Windows logo. Now, this is where our pencils come in handy. So, we're going to flip it over from where we colored it, and then you see these spaces, like where there's a little line between them that you can open up. We're not going to use that, but you write numbers in between those. You should have 8 parts when you're done. 7, 8. So, see, so this is what the fortune teller looks like.
So I only have 7 edges, or no? 7.
You can place them wherever you want. You don't have to place them in order. Like he is placing them wherever he wants. So this is what his looks like. This is what mine looks like. And now we can
Wait, funny words inside it.
we can write cool and give good things and funny things inside it. So right under the numbers where they are, it's like a compartment where you can write things. Okay, Bryce, you want to try my fortune teller?
Sure.
Okay, let's start.
For mine?
Okay, here, try mine. Okay, which color do you want?
Blue.
Okay. BLUE. Which number?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number?
3.
What is 1 plus 2?
3.
Correct. You have completed my fortune teller. Okay, let me try yours now.
I don't know
Look
what to
like
do with this.
There you go. Yeah, put your fingers in these ones. Yep.
Like how? With this.
No. Yeah, put them in here. See, look how I do it? Yeah, put them just like me. Put your thumbs in these fingers, like just like this. See? Just
It's so hard.
yeah. Here, let me help you. Put your thumb. Other thumb. Okay, now point your fingers. Point your fingers.
Hey.
In the green. I mean the blue. This finger, yep. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, put your finger. Okay, now you're ready. Here, let me try.
Which color?
Black.
B.
B L C K. Now, which number? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. 5. Let's see, what does it say? What does it say?
It says, what's 1,000 plus 1,000?
2,000.
Correct.
Yay! Bye, guys.
Bye.